Part of my success has been because I had a single mom, and she had the opportunity to go back to school, and she wasn't able to. She would watch people go to college but didn't know how to do it. Can you imagine what that does? When your desire is there, and you wish that someone was there to just help you through that. Part of my success at ODU is that people were able to help me get through it. And I want to encourage those moms out there that the reality is you can get a degree. It may not be in a classroom, it may be at your computer, where you're able to take the time that you need because there's such a broad spectrum of when assignments are due, which means that you can frame your life to be able to integrate school into it. So it doesn't have to be one or the other. When you decide to go to ODU, know that you don't have to do it alone. Know that I've been in classrooms where people have been all over the world, virtually, and they've been moms, they've been in their 40s, 50s, and 60s, and in their 20s. It doesn't make a difference. You need to be there. It doesn't have to be for anyone else except for you. When you decide to do it, ODU is going to be there. When you decide to do it, this faculty and staff will be there. But you have to make the first step. You want to make a change in your life? Then show up for yourself. I wish someone did that for my mom. So now when I walk, I will carry her thumbprint on my cap so that she can graduate with me.